Albert Einstein was born in Germany to a family that sold electrical equipment. But as a child, he was anything but a genius in the eyes of his teachers. He was late to start speaking, leading his parents to worry there was something wrong with him. He struggled with the rigid, military-style discipline of German schools, famously clashing with a teacher who told him he would never amount to anything. However, his life changed at age 5 when his father showed him a simple pocket compass. The way the needle moved, guided by an invisible force, filled him with a sense of wonder that lasted a lifetime. He realized there was something deeply hidden behind things. One of the greatest secrets of Einstein's career is that he did his most groundbreaking work while working as a low-level clerk in a Swiss patent office. He had failed to get a teaching job and spent his days evaluating inventions for clocks and steam engines. Because he was so efficient, he would finish his official work in a few hours and spend the rest of his time scribbling complex physics equations on scraps of paper, hiding them in his desk drawer whenever his boss walked by. In 1905, often called his miracle year, this nobody clerk published 4 papers that completely rewrote the laws of the universe. Einstein's mind worked differently than most scientists. He didn't use a lab, he used thought experiments. He would imagine himself riding alongside a beam of light or falling inside an elevator in space to understand how gravity and time worked. He proved that time isn't a constant. It actually slows down the faster you move. He became a global celebrity after a solar eclipse proved his theory that starlight actually bends around the sun. Despite his fame, he was famously disheveled, often forgetting to wear socks and letting his hair grow wild, because he thought grooming was a waste of time that could be spent thinking. Being Jewish, he fled Germany when the Nazis rose to power and moved to the United States. When he passed away in 1955, he left behind a final secret. A pathologist stole his brain during the autopsy without permission, hoping to study it to find the source of his genius. They found that while his brain was average in weight, the part responsible for mathematical and spatial reasoning was much larger than normal.